I'm videotaping, by the way. Okay, here's a little shot of the weather. First rain, well, we had a little bit yesterday, but this is just the first crazy rain we've had. You can see him coming up. Oh, wrong side. Okay. Hang on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on. No, picture. I need a picture. Hang on. 2 miles. Great. Okay, guys, I'll get a picture later. And there he goes. Ashley thinks he likes it. I'll get him talking. Okay, I'm actually videoing, so let me hear what you think about this rain since you didn't stop at the car.
It's wet.
Well, that was enlightening. Do you like it better?
This is so much better than running in the humidity that I've been in the past couple days. We could do this for the next few days, and I'll be fine.
All right, I'm leaving for now. Alrighty, we'll check in with him later, bless his heart.